Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to discuss material management. The topic that I am covering in this video are what is material management, functions of material management and objectives of material management. Let's start the video. Most manufacturing concerns spend more than 60% of the money they take in on material. That means materials soak up a substantial portions of the capital invested in the industry. Materials management makes sure the materials available are aligned with the customer's demand, thus giving a schedule of cost and resources that the company has on its material management. Involves controlling the type, amount, locations, movement, the timing of the purchase or various material, etc. Let's discuss the functions of material management. First, material management. Second, procurement or purchasing of materials. Third, receiving and warehousing. Fourth, storage and store administrations. Fifth, inventory control. And sixth, standardizations, simplifications and value analysis. Eighth, external transportation, which means traffic, shipping, etc. Ninth, material handling. 10th, disposal of scrap, surplus and obsolete material. Now come to the objectives of material management. First, to minimize the material cost and to procure and provide material of desired quality where required at the lowest possible overall cost. Third, to reduce investment tied in inventories for use in other productive purchases and develop high inventory turnover ratio. Fourth, to purchase, receive, transport and store materials efficiently and to reduce the related cost. Fifth, to trace the new source of supply and to develop cordial relations with them in order to ensure continuous material supply at reasonable rates. 6. To cut down cost through simplification, standardizations, value analysis, import substitutions, etc. 7th, to modify paperwork procedure in order to minimize delay in procuring materials. 8th, to conduct studies in areas such as quality, consumptions and cost of materials so as to minimize the cost of productions. 9th, to train personnel in the field of material management in order to increase operational efficiency. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.